Yeah, we're live. It's on. Okay. Hey, I'm Mr. Scherzinger,
I'm Mrs. Wilson.
and we're going to do some fun science experiments that everybody should be able to do at home. The first thing is you need to make sure you are protected at all times and wear protective gear.
So, face shield, goggles, and lab coat.
Okay, before we start, remember, always ask your parents' permission before trying a science experiment.
All right, so today, what you'll need is a bottle of water and a freezer, and we are going to make the water in this freeze, even though it's not frozen right now.
Do you think this will work? Why or why not? You can pause it right now and talk. I'm going to go to the next button. Okay, so for this experiment, you need to place a bottle or two in a freezer for 5-ish hours. Again, we stress you must ask permission from a guardian before you try to do this.
Okay, so take the water out of the freezer. Don't shake it. Just take it out as gently as possible. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to rub the condensation off the outside of the bottle like that.
Next, you're going to hit the bottle on a hard surface. We've tried this a couple times, and it may take more than once for this to work. You sit back, and you see what happens.
All right, so I'm going to rub the condensation off the bottle again. Okay. You don't succeed the first time?
It's starting
Try
to
again.
work.
Oh, it's working.
It is starting to work.
It's going. You can see inside right now, the crystals are coming together. And you can actually, look like snowflakes inside, and it's starting at the top. Water freezes from the top to the bottom, so you can see it. The top, it's freezing, and it's going down.
Maybe try one more thing.
It is freezing.
I don't know if it'll show, but there is ice. You can't really see it. There's ice within that water, within that bottle of water. Try not to hit it too hard because the bottle will
watch
break.
out.
So why does this happen? Why do you think this happens? This reaction happens because the liquid in the bottle is super cold. The temperature of the liquid is below its normal freezing point, but the liquid has not turned into a solid yet. That's because it needs something to kickstart the freezing process and encourage a small number of the liquid molecules to get together in a regular arrangement. As they do in a crystal, instead of moving around independently, they will form ice.
Yeah, so you can actually see the little snowflakes. It looks like snowflakes forming on the inside, and that's where the molecules are coming together.
All right, so that's our first experiment. We're going to come up with a couple different ones. We're going to come up with a couple different ones and send them your way.
Enjoy!
Have fun. That was fun. It worked.
It worked. All right.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got it. All right, I'll think of another one.
Okay. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, that face shield made me sweat. I'm glad I don't have to wear that all day.
No, generous.
Yeah, she wore one today.
Yeah. And she also wanted to wear the matching sock.
Oh.